I spoke today with Snowflake CEO Frank Slootman from this week's Snowflakes Summit. An NVIDIA partnership there on large learning models inside Snowflake's environment, helping to send the stock about 5% higher over 2 days. We also talked M&A strategy after Snowflake's Neeva acquisition and their expanded partnership with Microsoft, which Slootman framed as a win-win, growing consumption on Azure while fueling Snowflake's growth.
You're going to benefit from that. You know, people are not getting paid. They're going to fight you tooth and nail. They're going to double down, triple down, and so on. But we've been able to build relationships with the public cloud providers where, look, okay, we will compete head on. But, you know, once the technical eval is won or lost, we partner up. Okay, that is how it's supposed to work. And that works, you know, when there is alignment on incentives where both sides get paid on, you know, whatever business is going to, you know, come to fruition from it.
Let's talk about M&A. I was a little surprised that you bought Neeva. I know Sridhar, another Fort Knox conversation that I've had. Clearly deep experience in search and data. How does that fit in with Snowflake's broader vision for what you want to provide customers on the platform? Clearly, it's not the consumer-facing search thing that Neeva was doing for a while. That was sort of the front end of that technology. Now it's what as part of Snowflake?
Well, we've really, obviously, Neeva has turned from consumer search to enterprise search, and enterprise search, you know, really hasn't happened yet to the extent that it can, especially when we can AI enable it for the conversations to be contextual. I mean, if you're searching for Snowflake, what are you going to get? The weather, the company, the social phenomenon, and the conversations are not stateful, right? In other words, it's from one search to the next. It has no clue what happened before. The other thing that Neeva is really, really good at is understanding, you know, all the problems in search, you know, related to hallucination, bias, and all these things that make people distrust the results. It's going to be very, very important. I mean, search has been such a phenomenal thing, you know, in computing over the last 25 years, but we're now going to take it to the next level. And in enterprises, search is going to become a main mode. That's going to be part of your relationship with data. And so we're thrilled to bits to not just, you know, get the injection in talent that Neeva brings, but also the technology. I mean, they build a complete search infrastructure, you know, with all of 50 people. It's quite extraordinary what they have accomplished on their own, you know.
So how far up the stack do you plan to move as Snowflake? Because I view search as being a bit of a layer above the core technology that Snowflake was initially offering. Do you have a stated philosophy or framework for what else, perhaps even adjacent to search, Snowflake is interested in innovating in and building out?
We have this massive ecosystem. If you would see the partner pavilions that we have here, there's multiple football fields, you know, of exhibitions of partners showcasing products. That's really what we want. We want to be a place for innovation and choice rather than, you know, we're sort of a single stack. You got to buy everything from Snowflake. So at the application level, I'd much rather have partners, you know, build the apps than us doing it.
Databricks also gathering some people together this week. It's a big week for data. They just did a $1.3 billion acquisition or announced it. And ThoughtSpot also did a $200 million one, IBM announcing Apptio. What's going on with M&A in this generative AI era? What's driving it, even though for a lot of these assets, a lot of these companies, the valuations are pretty rich?
Yeah, they are, and the reason is the talent is so extraordinarily scarce. You know, when you're buying companies, you're always buying the mix of talent and technology, but, you know, we're much more heavily weighted towards talent because technology obviously comes from talent, and it's very, very difficult to acquire. And you are willing to pay up for talent because it is so valuable and so scarce and so expensive. So I think that's certainly a big part of our acquisition strategy that, you know, I always say we try to buy stem cells, okay, things that we don't have that we can grow body parts from, or new businesses or major extensions to businesses. So that's what you see people doing. You know, you'll never see us buy, you know, revenue or roll-ups. This is not the sort of thing that tech companies do.